Nigga, so I had got kicked out of school and everything, you know what I'm saying? For slanging, you know, and what they call that there? Expelled it or something. I had got expelled or whatever that word there is. It don't matter because I ain't even go back. I ain't even much go back because I was making more paper than my teachers them. You know what I'm saying? How I'm gonna go back and learn from some fool making less money than me? You know what I'm saying? Spending more time at work making less money than me. I ain't even go back. Dog. I was balling. I had my Impala with the green acrylics and I'm sitting on a 24. I was doing good. I got my old lady a car, you know what I'm saying? I got my mama out of jail. Hey, I was, you know what I'm saying? I'm a made man right there. But yeah, you know, that time right there when they shot Kiki and then my cousin there, man, every time I talk about that, dog, I get so heated, man. I said, you know what? I ain't gonna contribute to that black on black crime. Every song on the radio talking about, you know, gon' kill a nigga, you know what I'm saying? Or suck my d, you know what I'm saying? Party and do drugs and smoking L's and shit, nigga. You can't tell that to the children. How you gonna tell the children and shit? You just burning L's and all that there. You can't be talking to children like that. I got a daughter. You know, I got a daughter. I want her to look up to me, you know, with respect. Like I want all the other children in the neighborhood to look up to me, you know what I'm saying? When I'm out there in the street, they showing me love. You know what I'm saying? I gotta show back love, right?
And then it hit me one day. I'm the voice for millions of kids all over the world just like me. And I have a choice of who I'm going to be. I want young men and women in my community to look up to me like my own sons and daughters look up to me for something good. Not only that, I want better for me. I want to choose my destination. I don't want my destination to choose me based on choices I made in my subconscious. I realize that I am capable. I am present. I am strong. I am equal. I am you, and I want more. I have a choice to make. Looks like you do too. Let's make this world a better place to live.